Hi there, students. Trauma, a noun, both countable and uncountable. Traumatic as an adjective. To traumatize as a verb. I guess traumatizing as well, or traumatized as adjectives from that verb. Okay, so traumatic. One thing that's interesting with this word is it depends on the context. If this word is being used by a doctor or in a hospital, this is talking about a serious bodily injury, normally resulting from an accident or from violence. So, the doctor's diagnosis was trauma to the neck, or there is swelling on his brain due to head trauma. But I think when either a shrink, a psychiatrist, or the rest of us use this, we normally use this to talk about an emotional wound which gives psychological injury. Yeah, so it was a very traumatic experience. It was very upsetting. Yeah, when you suffer from trauma, emotional trauma, then you are shocked by the situation, and probably you don't react in a normal way. Yeah, it's a very upsetting experience that can cause psychological damage. So their escape from Syria was a most traumatic experience, and it left the children traumatized because it was such a traumatizing experience. Okay, the breakup of their marriage was a traumatic experience for both of them. Okay, so it's emotional shock which goes on. He had psychotherapy to help him deal with childhood trauma, with very bad things that had happened to him in childhood. Okay, but then if it's a doctor, the trauma center at the hospital, yeah, the patient is recovering from trauma after a car accident. Yeah. Okay, so trauma, it's effectively bodily injury. Yeah, if the doctor is using it. Yeah, and then something traumatic is something that causes trauma, that upsets us a lot. So the death of a loved one can be very traumatic. Yeah, but then the surgeon specialized in trauma. He was a trauma surgeon. Yeah. Okay, so to be traumatized, to be mentally, emotionally upset. Yeah, whereas trauma in a medical sense, you bang your head, that would be trauma, but it may or may not be traumatic, depending on the situation. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Very often, when you go through a trauma, then there are traumatic memories that persist, and they don't go away easily. Yeah. The traumatic situation of going bankrupt personally. Okay, so a trauma, yeah, is where you've been hit, yeah, you're bruised, you have concussion or something like that, or a fracture or swelling. And then trauma is a mental condition. Yeah, it's like an emotional wound or an emotional shock. Yeah, which has longer lasting effects. So it's mental suffering, stress, pain, upset, distress that goes on. Notice the pronunciation as well. Trauma, or not trauma, but trauma. And then, yeah, spinal trauma, for example, injury, a wound, yeah, bodily damage. Okay, so formality trauma. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, this comes from ancient Greek, trauma, a wound or damage. Wound or damage. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Trauma, traumatize, traumatic, traumatizing.